Hey, what's up guys, it's Flex and welcome back. If you've been following me, you know about 3 years ago I installed some tint film that I got off eBay on my taillights, and it actually looks really good, but after 3 years of salt, sand, snow, sun, it's been really beat up and it looks horrible. So I'm gonna peel it off and I'm gonna install a brand new tint that I got off eBay for 12 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested in buying it. But this tint should give my car an OEM look, but also with a slight aftermarket look. It's really easy to install. Let's get to it. Let's start by removing the old tint. So I had some trouble removing the tint off the taillight. It's kind of baked on really good. So I removed it, just pulled the trunk cover, removed these 1, 2, 3, 4 nuts and a connector, and it pops right off. As you can see, this tint is beat. It's flaking right there. There's some more flaking and peeling. It's just ready to come off. So let's go ahead and remove it off, clean up the lens, and then install the new tint. All you need for this project is soapy water and a felt tip squeegee. You want to first start off by spraying the soapy water solution all over the taillight. Next, peel back the tint and spray the soapy water solution on the adhesive side. You want to get it covered as much as possible. Next, align the tint on the taillight. Once it's fully aligned, use your squeegee on the felt end and squeegee out all the excess soapy water. Clean the area with some water to get rid of all the soap and wipe it down with a microfiber towel. And if you have to, go back with the squeegee just to make sure you got all the soapy water solution from under the tint. That's it, pretty easy. Well, there you have it guys, a super easy install. And again, for you guys who can't have dark tint on your taillights because it could be illegal in your area, this is a great alternative for a very low price. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe and I will see you next time.